In this Hive micro review, I'm going to be showing you if you guys can really make money by completing tasks using this platform. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if Hive micro is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software and courses. If you want to get my number one recommended strategy that is personally helping me to go from 0 to 5,000 to $10,000 per month, you can click the first link in the description. So it says here, simple task, real money, make extra money through small jobs you can do anywhere, anytime and from any device. So you are basically helping AI in advancing their system. So you're basically giving training to AI to make it more efficient. So you do it by solving them all the tasks that you are given, and you are getting paid for it. So you can get Hive Micro on Google Play Store. See, you can get it here, and you can also get it in the App Store as well. So you can have a look at the App Store as well. And if you scroll down, you can see how it works. All you have to do is just sign up, then you can apply for the jobs, then you have to complete all the tasks and you can get paid via PayPal or Bitcoin. So the kind of task you are going to be getting is that you can draw a box around an object, categorize the scene in an image, transcribe audio to text, track the same object across frames in a video. So the tasks are pretty simple and it is really easy to complete. Usually tasks take about only 30 seconds for you guys to finish it. So you are technically helping them to advance their AI features. So if you ask me how much you can make on Hive Micro, is that you can be earning really low, because Hive Micro doesn't pay a lot of money, and it is not going to make you rich or anything like that. So for each task you are going to be getting about 1/10 of a cent. So hear me out guys. So in order for you guys to get to 1 cent, it's going to take you about 10 tasks to get to 1 cent. So most Hive Micro task is going to be 1/10 of a cent, and it's pretty low, and some pay about 1 cent. So the amount of time you're investing on Hive Micro compared to the money that you're going to be earning is really low. So overall, I don't think, if you're looking for making a lot of money online and you have come to Hive Micro, I don't see this as an option, because you're not going to make a lot of money, because every task that you complete you're only going to be getting 1/10 of a cent, or if you're lucky you'll get a task that is going to pay you out 1 cent. Still it is low. So if you're coming from a part of the world where 10 cents to 50 cents is a lot of money, then you can go for Hive Micro. But if you're not from a place where 50 to maybe $1 is not a lot of money, then this is definitely not for you. So for most people, Hive Micro is not recommended. I really don't recommend this, because the amount of money that you are going to be getting is pretty low. I suggest you guys check out other Hive Micro or any other micro task website, because this website pays really low. And one more thing is that if you look at the Google Play Store, they only have 3-star review. So if you go to the review section, the reviews are pretty low. You can see very low pay rate, 50 cents for 1,000 tasks. So that's how much tasks they have done, and this guy got only paid 15 cents. So that's pretty low. So you can see previous review, proof vanished. Then don't bother using this app. If you want to work on Hive, just use a computer, cause this app will slow you down. Task will load after 5 to 10 seconds, which is a waste of time. See, again there is a problem, and you can see all the reviews. So the problem is that Hive work has a pretty low review. It has only got 3-star reviews because it pays pretty low, and sometimes they are facing a lot of glitches in the app, which is why it has got 3-star review. So overall, I suggest you guys don't waste your time. You can definitely make money, but it's not going to be a lot of money. So that's basically it for this video of Hive Micro. If you want to check out my #1 recommended strategy that is personally helping me to go from 0 to 5,000 to $10,000 per month, you can click the first link in the description. And I hope to see you on another review video.